Now put it back. No, no, Eric. See. This. Like this. Ah, good.
Missed the morning
But
glare,
when the light was off, it was.
but the sunlight hits in so many ways.
Can you see me?
Grab my shades and hit the streets, no plan. Chasing vibes like seashells in the sand.
This is a hole.
Radio hums a tune I can't name. Crooked smiles, crashing waves, no shame. Flip my phone, toss it in my bag.
No, we're cleaning, homie.
Today's for us, no time to lag. Feel the world just turning slow. Let the breeze tell us where to go. Every step will be we can make. Life's a tune, sing it till we break. Concrete warm under my bare feet. Crowds moving like a heartbeat. Skipping stones in city streets we find. Let's write a new story, leave the old behind. Someone's cooking love in the air, I swear. Every spark in their voices shows they care. Colors splash like secrets on these walls, while laughter echoes through the halls. Feel the world just turning slow. Let the breeze tell us where to go. Every step will be we can make. Life's a tune, sing it till we break.
Slowly, slowly. Don't go too fast. Very slowly.
Because it's already prepared.
Yeah.
I think you have to maintain this man.
Come again?
You have to maintain this fish.
Yeah, he's a good guy. He gave us a good deal. See, big.
You did well.
Like a tilapia.
That's what you took when you was looking at you.
That was the last one I took. I remember, yes. Maybe move a little bit far so we get some salt. No, you can show it here.
No need to zoom. Okay.
No. You're getting the wrong. Oh my god, you are becoming a professional. What is this, Eric?
lights blink, they got secrets to spill. Painted asphalt whispers a soulful chill. Clouds pass slow like memories that fade.
Yo. Hard.
Echo of your laugh now a ghost in the shade. Voices in my head softly hum your tune. Dancing with the shadows under a silver moon. Falling stars write your name across the sky. Every trail burns bright, but they won't tell me why. Colliding with the echoes where love used to bloom. In the deep of the night, under a velvet moon. Street lamp flickers out, matches my doubt. Counting lonely steps, trying to map a route. Past the pain and the fear, beyond the cold air. Searching in the void like you'd still be there.